Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk through how to fix an MSI monitor that won't turn on, using simple checks first, and then moving to advanced solutions if needed. Once the monitor powers up and displays an image again, you'll know the issue has been resolved. Most of the time, this problem is caused by power or connection issues rather than a faulty screen. Start by making sure your MSI monitor is actually turned on. Press the power button firmly and hold it for a second. It sounds simple, but this step alone fixes many cases. Next, check the power cable at both ends, where it connects to the monitor, and where it plugs into the wall. Make sure the connection is tight, and try a different wall outlet to rule out a dead socket. Inspect the cable closely for cuts, bends, or exposed wiring. If everything looks fine, press and hold the monitor's power button for 10 to 15 seconds to perform a basic reset. If the monitor still doesn't turn on, move on to the display connection. Check your HDMI or DisplayPort cable and ensure it's fully seated. Use the monitor's on-screen menu to manually select the correct input source. Also confirm that your computer is powered on by checking for lights, fans, or system sounds. If needed, boot the PC into safe mode to rule out graphics driver issues. As a final step, perform a factory reset using the monitor's menu or power cycle method. If none of these steps work, contact MSI support for warranty or repair assistance.